equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, power off your HP14's dq2000ns and unplug it. Gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean cloth. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel. Keep them safe, you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips. Next, locate the battery and disconnect it. This is crucial for safety. Now, turn your attention to the screen. Remove the screws holding the screen in place. Carefully detach the screen from the hinges. Take a moment to clean the internal components with a soft cloth. Dust can affect performance. Before installing the new screen, do a visual inspection. Ensure there are no damages or loose connections. Connect the new screen and secure it with screws. Reconnect the battery and replace the back cover. Finally, power on your laptop to test the new screen. For a hassle-free experience, remember, professional diagnosis without obligation, pickup and delivery at your home, no calls, no travel, and a quote before repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.